Welcome back everyone. In this video we're reviewing Vidu AI. Vidu AI is a next-gen video generation platform that transforms text, images or reference styles into cinematic quality videos, often in seconds. It leverages Vidu Q1 diffusion model, offering impressive realism, template flexibility and initiative used for creatives of all levels. So, you can create videos by entering detailed prompts, specify actions, style, atmosphere and characters. The platform generates short, expressive clips up to 8 seconds long. You can upload static images and watch Vidu apply motion, transition and effects to bring them to life. Videos can be reasonable length, starting at 4 seconds, and it provides a video sample and to let Vidu mimic its tone, pacing and visual style in your new clip, offering strong consistency in character, appearance, and behavior. Also, generations are notably fast compared to other tools, even yielding free clips during off-peak hours, and it delivers cinematic visuals with realistic motion and well-maintained character fidelity, even in stylized or detailed prompts. So you get realism and consistency, versatile input, blazing fast and accessible for beginners. But let's take a look at the drawbacks. Monthly credits, usually around 800, can run out quickly, halting usage until renewal. Also, not every prompt yields exact results. Some users find the results unpredictable or inconsistent. And most generated videos range from 4 to 8 seconds, which may limit longer storytelling use cases, and customization beyond the base prompt or built-in templates can feel limited compared to full editors. So Vidu AI is a standout platform in 2025 for high-quality, fast AI-generated video creation. Its strengths lie in realistic motion and visuals, versatility across text, image, and reference inputs, or beginner-friendly UI with cinematic output. Still, users must navigate credit limits, short video durations, and occasional prompt to output inconsistencies. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.